What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I've noticed lately a lot of people have been DMing me, asking me for parts, part numbers, things like that. Where do I get this? Where do I get that? And no one can seem to find stuff. So I'm going to jump in today and show you guys exactly where and how to find all of your crown parts. Now, it's not just crowns, but like this website would do a whole bunch of cars, well, both of them will. There's two websites, one to find the part number and then one to actually buy it from. So let's jump onto my computer and I'll show you guys exactly where to go to get your parts. All right, boys and girls, our first website is going to be toyota.epc-data.com. That link will be in the description, as will the next website. Once you're here, Toyota Japan, it's all the Toyotas you would ever want. We got Supras, we got Starlets, we got Crowns, got Aristos, whatever you want. Now, obviously you click on yours. Mine is the Crown Majesta. Then you have to pick your model. Which model is yours? Mine's the UZS186. Select that. Then you've got to pick your rendition of it. Is it an A-type? Is it a C-type? Is it a 2004 to 6? Is it a 2006 to 8, etc, etc. Mine's the 2004, so let's click on that one. Then you get to pick between engine, transmission, body and interior, electric. So let's try and find a part. And today's part is going to be the motor for the boot lid, okay? Everyone's always asking me, did you fix that? Why didn't you fix that? Etc, etc. This is the reason why. So body and interior, because it is part of the body. I know it's an electric thing, but it's part of the body. Luggage compartment door and lock, click on that. Then this is an exploded version of everything in the trunk lid. Everything you ever want is in here. You want the latch, you want the lock, anything like that. Up here is the motor, and there's your number there, 85790A. You look in the list over here, there it is, motor assembly luggage closer. Click on that. Then that brings up this information here. A couple of options, but you will find a lot of the time the OEM part number on all the options are the exact same. So that's obviously the part number, and here's your price. Now you might be thinking, hey man, where do I buy that? Like, that's all well and good, you showed me the price, but where do I actually go and buy it? Well, select the OEM part number, copy that, and then we're going to go to our second website. Again, it's going to be in the link in the description, and you just paste it here and search. All of a sudden, there it is. Now, I know it said 400 and something US dollars in the previous screen. It's actually $694 Australian, because here will give you your currency, aka Aussie dollars, plus shipping. So you're looking at about almost 800 Aussie dollars. Add it to your cart, buy it. And it's that easy. Once you put it in, you can log in, sign up, whatever it may be, to Amayama and just buy your parts. It's that simple. All brand new parts, straight from Toyota, and it will take a while, delivery to you by July 22. That's actually really fast. Normally, I'm thinking about 3 weeks of parts from this site. So don't expect it to get there next day, but you will be able to get it. You don't have to worry about going to Toyota and them telling you, oh, we don't have that in our system. Well, you now have your own system, and you can buy any part you want. Now, keep in mind, some things are probably, discontinued, so you're probably not going to be able to get absolutely everything. I mean, here's a short block. Let's click on that. Go to there. Oh my God, they're really expensive. Let's see how much that actually comes up with on Amayama. I'm really curious. And if you can even still get it. $14,000, guys, don't blow up your engine. Oh my God, that's way more than I expected. That's more than a 2J. Granted, it's brand new, but hey, you get it by July 29. They just don't know how much it's going to cost to ship to you, probably because they need to find out exactly your postcode. But there you have it, guys. Every single part you would ever want for your Crown or for any Toyota, import or local, you can get it from here. So, boys and girls, I hope that was helpful. I hope that kind of lets you guys be self-sufficient to a degree. You don't have to go to Toyota, you don't have to go to here and there and whatever. You can just go straight onto that website, get the part numbers, and then go straight onto the Amayama or Amayaya or whatever it is. I always pronounce it wrong, that website, and actually find where the parts are. You can get them directly from Japan. You can see the correlating models of that part and then go and get it cheaper, so you don't get ripped off by people putting super tax on or crown tax or JZ tax or whatever it is. So like I said, hope that was helpful. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, and if it was, please like, please subscribe, please jump in the comments and let me know what you think. And I'll see you all in the next one. See you guys.